2019 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, front wheel drive, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.